Hey guys, I am Vinayak from Nifty9.com. I am here to send out a strong message to SEBI, exchange, and the brokers for what happened in today's expiry trade. So, for people who don't know what happened today, let me just brief them. So, today in Bank Nifty, only in Bank Nifty, the feed which the exchange gave to the terminals was in a haphazard manner. The bids, the asks, the last traded price did not match to what was happening in the exchange. When I was trading, there was hardly any movement in the Nifty, Bank Nifty, or in the market. But my M2M loss was showing as 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. I was shocked the moment I saw this. I had to call my broker multiple times to ask what is happening. But these brokers conveniently put the blame on the exchange, and the exchange conveniently put the blame on the brokers. Nobody was there to take the responsibility. For some technical glitch in the system, it is the traders who is suffering, and I know there are many traders who lost money today. I don't want to play a victim card here because I did not lose money in today's trade because I was able to handle. I did a lot of hedges in my Nifty trades. But just because I did not lose and I escaped today, and if we are quiet, tomorrow I am sure there will be one day where you or others will be the victim. So we have to send a strong message to the exchange and the brokers. I don't know why this kind of situation happens only on a Thursday. We know that Bank Nifty has huge liquidity on expiry days, and there is huge volume as well in trading. And if these kind of issues happen on these days, it makes us think about the credibility of the system and the functioning of the exchanges and brokers. Today's trading was like driving a bike in heavy traffic at high speed being blindfolded. It was literally that way. I was relieved the moment we closed the market at 3:30. I don't know why the exchanges did not close the market when they identified the issue. There are many situations and cases where the exchanges have halted the trading due to technical glitch. This was a major technical glitch, and I expected the responsibility from the exchange and halt the system, which they did not do. And I am pretty sure that this is an exchange issue because it was not only one broker who was facing this problem, it was faced by all the brokers. So I request all traders to share this video so that we send out a strong message from the trading community to the SEBI, to the exchanges. And we want a written apology by the exchange. And I don't know what is going to happen to the trades which happened in the early morning. So again, that is another issue which the exchange has to clarify. And we want a written measure given to us as to how the exchange will handle if these kind of situations occur. And this today's thing was happening only on Bank Nifty, not on Nifty. So I hope you guys will share this. Thank you.